Well, I tell you what, here we go again. This was an update. This snow is coming down. Remember how, of course, we had to still push the door open? And remember how the snow was only maybe 6 inches above the landing of the step? And now, of course, you can see it's about 1.5 feet above the step when I step outside. And of course, if you remember, look at the other video, you can see it's now covering it. And I'm not telling you guys anything you don't already know, because I'm sure it's looking exactly the same way where you're at if you live here in this region or this area or this immediate region such as York. Of course, you can see the bushes. There is no sidewalk. Everything is level. Now, I can tell you, if I were to come out my door and step directly down on this, as you can see, from the landing here on the step when I come out the door, right here, from there to here, the snow would be up to my groin. And in a minute, I'll put my lens on. See that car down there? Remember that car? That was partially covered. Now it's pretty much fully. Oh, remember that car there that was partially covered? Now it's fully covered. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Covered. Just watch the news. Of course, you'll get fined or a ticket. No one is supposed to be on the road at this time except emergency vehicles and things like that. Actually, look down there a little bit. Kind of see cars. And the cars are pretty much covered up. There's some there you can see. And of course, you can look at the windows. You see that the snow is continue to do its thing. And like I said, I'm sure many of you are seeing the exact same thing I'm seeing right now, so there's nothing new. But the progress that snow has made. This car is fully covered pretty much, except the front tire. It used to, I don't know, a few hours ago, the snow was just up to the door handle, almost to the door handle. And of course, this one now is over the door handle. That's what's up here.